Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the Google Gemini AI Educator Hub, a powerful platform designed to help teachers and learners explore AI in education like never before. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works, how you can get started, and some practical ways to use it in your classroom and learning. Type in Google Gemini AI Classroom. Google Gemini AI Classroom, and it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you click on this one, Google AI Studio. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, it's going to bring you here. Then these are some of the things you can do with the Google Gemini AI Studio. You can try the Nano Banana feature, fetch information with URL, generate native speech with Gemini, talk to Gemini live. I'm going to try out the Nano Banana feature. At the Google Banana AI Studio, you can generate a story using photos. That is a storybook. You can also customize your image. But I'm going to start with generating a story using photos. This is the prompt here. You can type in your own prompt to generate your own story. Then once you are done typing the prompt, you click on that upload icon. Then the story will begin to be generated. Here the story is being generated with the photos. Once the story is fully generated, you can now click on each individual photo to download it. Once you are done downloading it, copy the stories and then match them with the images. That is how to generate a photo book using the Google Banana feature in the Google Gemini AI Studio. To customize an image, click on the plus sign, then click on your media picker or wherever the image is stored on your device. Then select the image. I'm trying to select an image from my device here. I can't see the image, so I'm using the date to search for the image. So whichever way your device works, you have to devise a way to also select the particular image you need for that. Now this is the image I want to use. Now I will come here to edit this prompt. This is not the prompt I want to use, so I'm going to delete this and then type in my prompt and the place where I want this image to be placed. So that is what the Nano Banana feature does. It brings you to a realistic place. So first you typed in the place, it's going to bring you to a realistic place. It generates a realistic image. You can use it can customize a photo, making the photo to become realistic. So this is my prompt. I'm typing in my prompt. When I'm done typing in the prompt, I'm going to click on that upload icon there to generate. The prompt is ready. I've uploaded it. So I'm going to give it a few minutes to generate. So this is the generated image. So I've still wait for it to fully generate. Then I can click on it to download it. The image is fully downloaded, so I click on it, then hold it down to bring out the download option. Then I'm going to click on the download, select the download option, and the image is downloaded into my device. So that is how to use the customize image feature on the Google Banana option. Let's look at the fetch information with URL option. Now when you click on that option, it's going to bring you here. This is a prompt here. So this is not what I want to do. I'm going to delete this to type in my own prompt. I'm typing in my prompt. When entering your prompt, be detailed with your instruction. This is AI. It is not a mind reader. So for it to get you exactly what you want, what you have in mind, you have to be detailed so that it will be able to get an answer that is exactly what you have in mind, or something very close to what you have in mind. Look at the response it's giving me here because I wasn't detailed with my prompt. So I'm making the correction here. Now it has generated my answer. So this is how to use the search with URL. That's the option of searching for information using URL. That's it. As you have seen, it's a simple yet powerful tool that can make teaching and learning more engaging, efficient, and creative. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with other educators, and subscribe to the 21st Century Educator for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep teaching, and keep innovating with AI.